Okay.
Okay, fine.
Can you see this screen?
Yes. Introduction to mediation, moderation, and conditional process analysis.
Is that basically a second edition of this book, and it was published in 2018. The idea is that there is an independent variable. It is called group affective tone. The dependent variable is your
Unethical behavior.
ethical,
And
unethical or ethical behavior. There are actually two variables we have measured. One has used 7 to 8 items. The other has used 12 items. Got it?
Yes.
So this is a collective shame which consists of actually seven
items.
Okay. Initially, what we did, we tried to check the moderation of social identity and shame proneness.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
And we used the model 76.
Model number 76 of Hayes method.
76 or Hayes method. I'm going to share the output of that. And then finally, what I got, the actual moderation was there at this point, not the all pathways. Let me share with you the Hayes macro. Before that, I am going to share with you the model as per the book. Okay. To discuss the model 76 before we run the model 21. You should try to understand what I'm going to talk about. Just give me a minute. Okay. This is exactly on the page 606. Note that W is for one moderator and the second moderator is Z. You got it?
Yes.
And your first independent variable is X, Y. Your dependent variable is Y. You got it? And you have got one mediator at the same.
Yes.
We have many models like this.
If we have two moderators, then first one is W and second one is Z.
Z. Now we are going to share with this model 76. Why I run the model 76 first, so that I may have the idea why and which moderators actually exist, and I will try to craft the theory accordingly. If my model or my literature is not guiding me, then I can read that literature particularly and enhance my literature according to my results. It may be called reverse engineering, but I don't know. I have not seen this as a practical, but they and the action the people are doing it. The researchers are doing it. They compute those things, and after concluding the thesis, when they convert into paper, they basically do this thing, and finally, based on the results, they rewrite the whole paper again. Okay. This is your dependent variable, ethical behavior, as we have shown it in your earlier model in the Word file. You can paste your image here. Okay, this is your mediator, collective shame. Then it is your moderator, which is called social identity. And this is another way moderator. This is your guard. Overall, you can see this model is significant. You can see it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see this thing. This group affective tone is significant, but at 10%. Okay, yes. It is not highly significant, but it is.
Yes.
Now social identity is significant as well. You can see it from here. Shame proneness is significant with this, that ethical behavior. Okay. Now you have to see, you are interested in this interaction term 1 and interaction term 2. It is elaborating underneath here. You can see it.
Yes.
GT
the moderating effect.
Yes, this is the moderating effect. Now where you can find the moderating effect, if you so focus here, this is the moderating effect is not confirmed here yet. Simple moderation is not confirmed. You can see?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Now moving on. Now we have four interaction terms again. A group affective tone with social identity, this your collective shame with social identity, this your group affective tone with shame proneness, and this collective shame with your shame proneness. Now focus here. This first interaction term is insignificant. You can see it.
Yes, but second one is.
This is significant. Yes. This is significant. Now we will focus here about our theory. We will write down about this theory now. Now same is the case here. You see his?
Yes.
That is why I have chosen those moderators I have shown earlier to you. So the remaining you can see they are not significant. Yes. Six pathways were there. 2 were here. Simple pathways. You can see these terms. Then finally what we did, we checked these terms. Now we were learning. Let me share again why we have taken those two moderator. I am going to share in that model, and I will share with you this part. Now we have this social identity has moderating role here,
Yes.
and shame proneness has moderating role here.
Yes. Fine.
So that is proven by 76. Now to reconfirm it, exactly which model which replicates this thing is called model 21. Let me go. Okay, now I have run the model 21.
Yes, this is model
This is
21. Okay.
I have run it with unethical behavior and ethical behavior. I have run it 2 times. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is with the unethical behavior. Okay, overall model fit is good.
Yes.
Okay,
It's significant.
and significant. These 3 variables good as well. Is good, fine. Social identity is good, fine. And finally, sorry, my pointer is not as good. Next time we would be using some other pointer maybe. Now this. Now finally, this interaction is good. And W, it is giving you some answer.
Yes. Independent
Simple one.
variable into your moderator.
Exactly. It is significant now. I can discuss it. So simple. Now I will go in the detail analysis. Now here, this is your first interaction term.
Yes.
What is this? Shame, sorry, collective shame and shame proneness is significant as well.
Although it is significant, but negatively.
Yep. It will further, it is negatively moderated. Now we will focus the theory accordingly.
Okay, got it.
We will try to find the particular literature from the top journal, maybe
why
Journal
it
of
is
Applied Psychology.
negatively.
Why it is so? We will find it. Let's say we can assume it, and we may say that our hypothesis null is accepted. But in the discussion, we can generate a proper discussion. If initially we have given that it is a positive moderator, but in the discussion, we can generate a good discussion by that. Rejection of a hypothesis doesn't mean that your theory has been completely gone in the trash can. No. Now you can generate a fruitful discussion. No need to write the whole literature again. You can write a new literature in your discussion part.
Okay.
You can find reasons over it. Okay.